You are watching a tutorial on the Link Wisconsin Broadband Demand Surveys. From the wisconsindashboard.org homepage, navigate to the left side menu bar and click on Broadband Demand Surveys. The purpose of these surveys is to gather current broadband usage data as well as what would be used if available. This information will help Link Wisconsin regional planning teams to determine where service gaps exist, where demand is the greatest, and other ways to better increase broadband usage. Elements of this survey will be plotted on the Link Wisconsin demand map as well. Click on the demand you would like to register. We'll start with residents. All of the questions are in bold, and if it has an asterisk next to it, then it must be answered to move on to the next page. Answer if you have an internet connection, and if it's adequate, and if not, why not? If you neglected to fill in a necessary field, this message here will let you know. This page gathers data about your current connection. If you selected that you do not have internet, you will not be taken to this page. Select your current internet connection, devices that access it, along with the current speeds you are receiving. When a multiple choice question has square checkboxes rather than round radio buttons, more than one selection can be made. If you don't know the connection speed or are curious about what you are currently receiving, click here to run a speed test and follow the instructions in this pop-up. Now, how much you're paying for your current service, who uses the internet the most, and lastly, a couple about telecommuting and online classes. Click Next Page when finished. This last page has similar questions, but addresses the service you would like to have. If you stated that your current connection was adequate on the first page, then you will not be shown this page. Lastly, fill in your contact info. Note that a dash is required after the third and sixth digit in the phone field. When completed, you will be taken to this page showing that your submission has been accepted. The other surveys are similar but include options and questions specific to their fields. This has been a tutorial on how to use the Link Wisconsin demand surveys.